ever that you have read a law and thought that, wait, that doesn't make any sense? Most of the time, we will not be able to understand the barracks, but that is different. The law itself will not be clear. That's where the golden rule of interpretation comes into picture. It's like the safety net for the literal meaning of the words, actually. Okay, the rule basically says stick to the ordinary meaning of the words unless and until it leads to absurdity. So if it is simple and proper, stick to the meaning. But if it is not proper, first approach we can use is narrow approach. That is, the words are ambiguous. The judge will pick the most sensible meaning of it. Okay, that is the narrow approach. But going to the wider approach, the word is clear, but applying it will literally lead to crazy or unfair results. The judge tweaks the meaning to avoid this absurdity. This is the second type of the approach. Now, let me tell you a story to understand this. A son murders the mother to inherit her properties. If you see, as per law, even if the son murdered his mother, he becomes the next kin to inherit the property. Allowing her murderer son to inherit her own property is totally brutal and injustice. So instead of doing injustice or wait for the change in law, the judiciary used golden rule of interpretation, the wider one, to exclude the murderer's son from the ambit of next kin. So these rules help us to serve justice. This golden rule of interpretation is an important question also asked in previous year Rajasthan Judicial Service examination.